In 2017 and 2018, the fleet of the Volvo Ocean Race sailed across the world, travelling 45,000 nautical miles across 4 seas, touching 6 continents and 12 landmark host cities. Clean seas and reducing plastics is of key importance for the organisation. MTD was asked to supply public drinking water refill stations to reduce waste and to ban the use of plastic water bottles in the race villages. Like the racing boats, MTD travelled the world from host city to host city to provide safe drinking water for the visitors with our drinking water refill stations. MTD also installed the potable water infrastructure and wastewater infrastructure at some of the intermediate stops, as well as at the final destination of the race. Cardiff was the stopover point for the 9th stage of the race. Buffer bags were placed at the venue to guarantee a constant quality and flow of drinking water in the race village. Booster pumps were used to distribute water into the pipework over a length of 3,000 meters. The pumps ensured that drinking water was available at a continuous and sufficient pressure throughout the event. MTD found a solution for the disposal of wastewater. Pipework was installed over a distance of 1,500 meters to pump all effluent from the race village to a manhole off-site. The finish area in The Hague is one of the most popular Dutch beaches and offers plenty of space for sailors, guests and visitors. To overcome the large distances, booster pumps were used to provide water for toilets, drinking points, kitchens and team hospitality tents. At this venue, potable water buffer bags were placed with a volume of 150 cubic meters, along with 3,000 meters of PE pipework and multiple waste macerators. To ensure pure water, MTD tested and monitored the quality of the water on a daily basis. MTD is proud to have had the opportunity to help the Volvo Ocean Race to reach their sustainability goals. MTD, pure water.